What's up guys, it's your boy Junior here bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I really highly suggest you hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you're not gonna want to miss out on anything. Alright guys, so today I got a great video. It's a unboxing review on a device I'm gonna add to my PC setup. It's not a new device, nor is it an old device. It's in between. All right, as most of you guys know, I love building PCs, and I usually have two PCs connected here. On this setup right here, I only have one PC set up, which is my main PC, but I do have a mini PC attached right here on my desk. Let me see if I can bring it down. Right here, you see that I have a mini PC right here. I mounted underneath. And I use it from time to time, depending when I want to do. Like if I want to do some activities on the darker side of the web, I'm gonna name it like that. I use this one because this has nothing attached to me. It has nothing can get compromised on there. Basically, that's the reason I have this there. And another reason why I have it is if I do find some sketchy apps that I want to test out, and I don't want to test it on my main PC and lose everything on here, I install it on here and I use it. So as you know, I do have this large Samsung monitor and it has multiple inputs for it, for HDMI, DP, and mini DP. So I have this connected to one of the inputs I can switch on and off whenever. And you're wondering, how do I control this? I control it using the same keyboards that I use for my setup. But I do have a switch right here. I have a USB switcher that I'm allowed to connect 4 USB devices into 2 computers. So whatever 4 devices I connect to that, I hit a switch and it'll connect to either this computer or the mini PC. Now, I recently changed that up. Some of you might notice, some of you might not. Some of you know I did transition to a new profession and I work from home now. I'm fully remote. This is my everyday seat that I'll be doing all day, maybe 12 hours a day, either when I'm gaming, working, streaming, whatever I'm doing off the PC here. Now, they provided me a laptop, which I have back here. You see there's like a white mount right here with paperwork. I 3D printed a mount for the laptop and their display device. I don't know what you want to call that. So I 3D printed all that so I can keep it all together, but I have it back there. So again, when I want to use that one, I just switch the input on my screen here and I use it on here. Now you're wondering what keyboard mouse am I using? They did provide me keyboard mouse, but I don't like to have too much things cluttered up here. So again, I took off the connection from the mini PC and connected to that piece, my work PC, so I can use just this one keyboard mouse here, and I can go ahead and do it all here. Now, you're gonna ask me, so what's the whole point of this video? So my USB switch right now only can hold up to 2 computers, which is typically normal, is fine. But since I have the mini PC, I don't want to sit here back here and keep switching the USB ports just so I can use the mini PC or my work PC with this keyboard. So I went online, did some research, and I found this great device right here from Sabrent. It is the same device kind of, but the one I have right here is a U-Green USB switcher. This is from Sabrent, and this connects up to 4 PCs on 4 USB ports. So, and it has this little switch here. So whatever device I connect here, this will plug into the computer and this will control whatever computer. Anytime I want to switch a computer, I just hit this button right here. Which now this box, I can hide it in my cable management system and I can use this switch and put it anywhere I want. Like either right here, and I can click it right now. The U-Green, the USB device, and everything is all in one. So the switch is on the device itself and the USB ports are here. So we're gonna open this up and see how this looks and check out what's inside. All right, so I'm gonna go open it up. Let me use my keys to let me use my nail cutters here just to get a little piece open here. All right, I got this open here. All right, so this is the box. So right on the box itself, it says 4 ports, 4 computers, USB 2 peripheral sharing switch. And again, it works both on PC and Mac, just so you guys know. So you do have a Mac laptop and you want to connect it to another screen as well, but you want to use the same keyboard and mouse, this will work. No sweat. All right. In the front, it gives you all the display of what it comes. Shows you the cable that comes out to connect to this, the computers. Here's the switch box, and here are the inputs that you want to use. Right? Perfect. On the side, gives you the same thing. Sabrent 4-port, 4 computer sharing, USB peripherals. Same thing again on the side here. Same thing on this other side, and same thing on the front. Just like I said in the front on top here, all this is labeled all around. And in the back gives you a little bit more specs. Tells you what it is. This is the switch box here. These are the inputs that you can plug into whatever you want to use. And it works for both PC and Mac, and it is high speed of USB 2.0. So it's not the high, it's not 3.0 because peripherals don't need that high much of speed, so we're good on that. You can easily enable up to 4 computers using 4 USB devices, and easily switch on any computer by hitting of a button. We saw the button right here, and that's it. It requires just, when a Mac, it must be on an 8.6 or higher operating system. On Windows, it needs to be on XP or higher, which Mac, we haven't been anywhere near 8.6 in a long time. If you still have something that low, that thing is not running that well, so I'll just get rid of it. XP, people still use XP for right now because it's good for servers. If you do use XP, you use XP. It is what it is. So let's go and open it up and see what's inside this box. All right, so you open it up, guys. Here it is right here. You take out, this is the box itself. This is where you connect the USB ports. This is the switch here. And these are the cables that you plug into the computer itself. Very, very, very simple. Right here. Simple as easy. Now, the thing I like about the Ugreen, even though it's only a 2-port, 2 computers, is the back and the front are inputs itself. Like, you don't need to have all these extra cables here to attach or anything. You could just, it has cables. You don't need to use all of it. So that's a good thing about this. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go and connect it on my own time. I'm not gonna show you the whole process, but I just wanted to unbox you and show you what this device is. So when you connect you connect these to the computer. So you choose the computer you want to connect it to, and you plug this in. Since I already have the cables running right here, I might leave everything just like this and get USB adapters, like female to female, and connect them that way and make it easier. And this one connect to the mini PC directly. And for me, it'll be easier that way. Just for cable management, I don't want to run all cables all over again. It's a pain in the ass, just to let you know. And here on the top, it tells you there's some indicator LEDs right here. So whichever computer you hook this up to, it tells you which one's on. So you don't have to guess. But here's a switch. This is a switch you use to switch it. And again, this is where you plug in your peripherals, whether it be your keyboard, your mouse, and your webcam. And let's say another, I use the other one, like the second and third one. I mean, third and fourth, whatever you want to call it, as like flash drive devices. Like if I want to, like, I'll plug this in here, and I'll switch it to one computer, copy the file over to this computer, and then hit the switch again, and it'll transfer everything to the other computer, and then just drag and drop on that computer. So I use it that way as well. So that's other ways you can use it. Guys, that's it what I gotta talk about. You guys can check it out yourself. And it works very well, in my opinion, for what it does. I'll give you another video if I find this not being as good as a workaround for my setup right now. I'll do another video on it and give you my disapproval on it, or maybe I'll do another follow-up video on it. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review on this Sabrent 4 computers peripheral share hub, I guess you want to call it. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video and everything I showed today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so at the end of it, guys, I highly suggest you hit the subscribe button, enable bell notification so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out here. Peace.